What is your name and experience in the field of phlebotomy?
My name is Natasha Wilson. I have 5 years plus experience in phlebotomy.
What did you think about the instructor's workshop?
Oh, I enjoyed the instructor's workshop. It was interactive. You didn't feel like you didn't know things. You always could raise your hand, ask questions. I enjoyed it.
Why did you decide to take the instructor's workshop?
Because I wanted to be able to teach.
Did you learn anything from the instructor's workshop? And if so, what's one thing that stuck out the most to you?
I learned a lot of things at the workshop. Like I said before, it was very informative. One thing that I did take away from the workshop was a different way to palpitate the arm. So yes, that's the thing that stuck out to me the most.
Do you think you would recommend anyone to take the instructor's workshop?
Yes, I would recommend people take it because we need people out here to show the correct way in order to do phlebotomy. There's no other way to do that in order to get instruction.
Okay, thank you. That concludes your interview for today.
Thank you.